Welcome to another exciting episode of What Is It Like? Today, we're diving deep in the world of and begging the question of what is it like to be bee removal experts and uncovering the secrets behind their incredible job. Have you ever wondered how these professionals safely remove bees without harming them? Stay tuned to find out. Bees are essential to our ecosystem, but sometimes they end up in places where they aren't welcome or can even pose a risk to people. That's where bee removal experts come in. They ensure both our safety and the well-being of these vital pollinators. Let's explore the fascinating world of bee removal and discover what it's really like working with these buzzing creatures. A bee removal expert's workday can vary greatly depending on the type of calls they receive. Their main responsibility is to remove and relocate bees from unwanted locations, often working with homeowners, businesses, and public spaces. To become a bee removal expert, one typically needs hands-on training, as well as knowledge of bee biology and behavior. The job can be challenging, but it's incredibly rewarding knowing that they're helping both people and bees coexist harmoniously. When it comes to bee removal, it's crucial to identify the right species. Some common types include honeybees, bumblebees, and carpenter bees. Each species requires a different approach, and proper identification is essential for effective removal. Let's take a closer look at these bee species and how to differentiate them. Bees can show up in various places, such as residential areas like homes, gardens, and yards. They can also be found in commercial properties and public spaces like parks and schools. In some cases, they may build their nests in wall cavities, tree hollows, or even underground. Let's explore the different techniques used to remove bees from these locations. Bee removal experts use a variety of techniques to safely remove bees without causing harm. Let's dive into each method in detail to learn how they work and when they're most effective. Bee removal experts prefer live removal and relocation methods because they aim to preserve bees' lives and support biodiversity. One technique that has become increasingly effective and safe is locating and removing the queen bee. The queen bee plays a vital role in the colony's reproduction and survival, as she's the only bee that can lay eggs. By removing the queen bee, the hive structure and behavior change, and the worker bees stop reproducing, eventually leading to the hive's collapse. To remove the queen, bee removal experts use a process called queen caging, where the queen is placed in a separate cage and removed from the hive. Once the queen is removed, the bee removal expert can proceed with the live removal and relocation methods mentioned earlier. Extermination is considered a last resort when live removal methods are not possible, and there's an imminent risk to human health and safety. If extermination is necessary, a licensed pest control operator may use chemical sprays or dust insecticides to eliminate the bees. Prevention and proofing methods aim to prevent bees from building nests in unwanted areas. These methods include sealing entry points, selecting appropriate plants and landscaping that don't attract bees, and regular inspections to detect potential hive sites. Now that you understand the different bee removal methods, remember that it's crucial to contact a professional to remove bees safely and humanly. By locating and removing the queen bee, bee removal experts can effectively and safely remove bees from unwanted areas, ensuring the safety of both the bees and humans. By preserving these vital pollinators, we can help maintain a healthy and balanced ecosystem for all. Bees play a vital role in pollination and biodiversity, which is why it's essential to remove and relocate them responsibly. Bee removal experts contribute to conservation efforts by collaborating with local beekeepers and organizations, ensuring the bees can continue their essential work in a safer environment. Before we wrap up, let's learn some amazing facts about bees that make them even more fascinating. Did you know that bees communicate through a waggle dance to share the location of nearby food sources? And the life cycle of a bee consists of 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Last but not least, the queen bee plays a vital role in a colony. She is the only one who can lay eggs and produce chemical scents that help regulate the hive's activity. So there you have it. the incredible world of bee removal experts, and our essential work in safely removing and relocating bees from unwanted locations. By understanding the importance of responsible bee removal, we can all contribute to a healthy and balanced ecosystem where both humans and bees can thrive. Before we say goodbye, we encourage you to support your local beekeepers and remember to contact a professional for bee removal if you encounter these buzzing creatures in an unwanted area. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.